without spending a fortune? These clever and affordable home design get a stylish twist you never knew you needed. From smart storage to eye-catching decor, each one adds charm while keeping things practical. All product links are waiting in the description below. This side table is more than just a place to set your coffee. With built-in outlets and USB ports, it keeps your phone, tablet, or lamp charged right beside the sofa. The lift-top design creates a mini workspace or dining spot, while hidden storage inside keeps clutter out of sight. 2 open shelves plus handy hooks and hanging cups hold everything from books to snacks. Durable enough to handle up to 130 pounds, it's a compact, stylish solution for small spaces. Sometimes furniture can be both cozy and clever. This Teddy Ottoman looks like a plush bench, but lift the lid and you've got hidden storage inside. It's soft on top for sitting, sturdy enough to hold plenty, and the hinge keeps the lid safely open while you tuck things away. Use it at the end of your bed, in the entryway, or as extra seating in the living room. One piece, many uses. Day or night, this patio umbrella has you covered. During the day, it tilts to block harsh sunlight so you can stay cool and comfortable outside. At night, built-in solar LED lights glow along the ribs, creating a cozy atmosphere without messy cords. The crank system makes opening and closing effortless, and the durable canopy resists water and fading. Perfect for patios, decks, or poolside evenings with friends. Working from bed or the couch just got easier. This foldable laptop desk gives you a stable surface for your computer, meals, or even writing. You can adjust the height and tilt, so it's always at the right angle for comfort. A stopper keeps your laptop from sliding, and the handle makes it easy to carry anywhere. When you're done, just fold it flat and tuck it away. Grocery runs and heavy loads don't have to be a struggle. This foldable cart is built with stair climbing wheels that make hauling things up steps way easier. The telescoping handle adjusts to your height, and the roomy crate holds everything from groceries to tools or art supplies. When you're done, it collapses flat for easy storage. Strong, practical, and portable, this cart is a true everyday helper. Getting ready just got a serious upgrade. This full-length mirror isn't just for checking your outfit. It opens to reveal a lockable jewelry cabinet packed with storage for rings, necklaces, earrings, and more. Built-in LED lights with 3 color options let you perfect your look day or night. It even has a foldable makeup tray and a 360-degree swivel base for extra convenience. Stylish, practical, and secure all in one. Here's a coffee table that does more than just hold your mug. The round farmhouse design hides a clever lift top that raises up for working, dining, or crafting right from the couch. Underneath, a spacious storage compartment keeps blankets, books, and other clutter out of sight. The wood finish and fluted details bring a rustic yet modern charm to your living room. Functional, stylish, and built to last. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Dust, crumbs, and dirt don't stand a chance with this little powerhouse. It's a cordless handheld vacuum that doubles as an air blower, inflator, and even a vacuum sealer. Strong suction makes quick work of keyboards, desktops, and car interiors, while the blower reaches tight spots with ease. Lightweight and portable, you can carry it anywhere. 1 button, 4 functions. Cleaning has never been this simple or versatile. Staying hydrated and on top of your meds just got easier. This clever water bottle has a built-in 7-day pill organizer, so your vitamins or prescriptions are always right where you need them. Each compartment snaps shut securely, keeping pills safe and dry while you're on the go. It's compact, leak-proof, and perfect for travel, the gym, or everyday use. One bottle, two essentials, zero hassle. Looks like an ordinary shelf, but there's a secret waiting inside. This floating design doubles as a hidden compartment to stash away jewelry, documents, or small valuables right where no one expects them. On the outside, it's modern and stylish, perfect for books, plants, or decor. On the inside, it's your private safe, strong enough to hold plenty of weight, yet sleek enough to fit in any room. Your charging chaos just got an upgrade. This all-in-one station powers your phone, earbuds, tablet, and even your laptop from a single spot. The magnetic wireless stand snaps your phone into place for fast charging, while a separate pad keeps your earbuds topped up. 3 USB-C ports handle the rest with speedy power delivery. Sleek, organized, and powerful, it's the only charger your desk will ever need. Why settle for a regular shelf when your books can spin into view? This rotating tower keeps your collection neat, organized, and easy to grab from any angle. 4 tiers give you plenty of room for books, magazines, or even bags and accessories. Its vertical design saves floor space while adding a modern touch to any room. Durable, practical, and just fun to use, it's storage with a twist. Sorting laundry doesn't have to be a messy guessing game. This smart hamper gives you 3 separate compartments, so lights, darks, and colors never mix. Each section comes with its own removable tote bag. Just grab and go on laundry day. The bags slide right back into place when you're done, no fuss required. Sleek, tidy, and practical, it makes laundry feel almost effortless. Shaky hands? Not anymore. This 3-axis gimbal keeps your phone steady so every video looks smooth and professional. Built-in eye tracking follows your movement automatically, while a detachable remote lets you control shots from a distance. Extend the built-in rod for selfies or flip down the tripod for group videos. Foldable, portable, and long-lasting. It's like having a mini film crew in your pocket. Meet the little table that follows you everywhere. This C-shaped design slides right under your couch or bed, giving you the perfect spot for a laptop, meal, or book. The top tilts to different angles, so you can read or work comfortably without awkward neck strain. Smooth wheels let you roll it wherever you need it. Compact, sturdy, and stylish, it's a small table with big versatility. Turn your ordinary faucet into a multitasking tool. This swivel extender rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can direct water exactly where you need it. 3 modes let you switch between a gentle bubble stream, a wide waterfall flow, or a powerful spray for tough cleaning. The chrome finish looks sleek while resisting rust and wear. Easy to install, it makes kitchen chores quicker and way more convenient. Drying clothes doesn't have to be an eyesore. This 3-tier rack comes with a sleek fabric cover that hides laundry while blending right into your room. Each tier folds down individually, so you can hang long dresses or shirts without wrinkling them. The sturdy steel frame handles heavy loads with ease, and wheels let you move it wherever needed. Functional, stylish, and space-saving, it's laundry made smarter. Dinner on the patio doesn't have to end when the sun goes down. This clever umbrella light snaps onto the pole and instantly brightens your evening. Choose from 3 levels: soft glow, bright, or super bright, depending on the mood. No cords, no hassle. Just pop in a few batteries and you're set. Perfect for late-night BBQs, camping, or just relaxing under the stars. corners don't have to go to waste. This rotating triangle shelf makes use of every inch. It fits neatly into bathroom, kitchen, or vanity corners, and spins 360 degrees, so everything's easy to grab. The front panel keeps dust out, so your items stay clean and organized. No drilling, no tools, just a quick stick-on install, and you're done. A simple way to clear clutter while saving space. Who says comfort can't be playful? This swivel accent chair lets you spin a full 360 degrees, making it just as fun as it is cozy. The barrel-shaped back hugs you in, while the wide cushioned seat gives the perfect spot to relax with a book or binge your favorite show. Wrapped in soft velvet, it feels as good as it looks. Place it in any room and watch it instantly elevate your space. Set up your summer fun in just 15 minutes. Simply inflate, fill with water, and you're ready to dive in. This 15-foot pool is built tough with 3-ply PVC, holds over 3,700 gallons, and comes with a filter pump, ladder, and everything you need to keep the water clear and the fun going all season long. Fresh herbs and veggies right from your countertop? Yes, please. This hydroponic growing system gives your plants the perfect mix of light, water, and oxygen. No soil needed. The built-in grow lights mimic natural sunlight, and the height adjusts as your plants grow taller. A quiet pump keeps water flowing without disturbing your peace. You can even control it all from an app, making indoor gardening easier than ever. Meet the nightstand of the future. This floating bedside table keeps floors clear and cables out of sight while powering all your devices with wireless charging, USB, and Type-C ports built right in. A sleek touch panel lets you switch between warm, cool, or natural light to suit your mood. Perfect for reading or winding down at night. Compact yet stylish, it brings a modern edge to any bedroom. Friends won't just notice it, they'll want one too. Cooling doesn't get more futuristic than this. This bladeless tower fan pivots, twists, and oscillates up to 180 degrees, pushing air exactly where you want it. You can choose between 10 different speeds and even pick your noise level, whether you want quiet airflow or soothing white noise. The bladeless design is easy to wipe clean and safe around kids or pets. One fan, endless ways to stay cool.